Assalamualaikum. Good day everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am discussing about a very important topic. I am discussing about the best treatment, the best effective treatment for anal fissure, anal fistula, piles and fistula, piles and hemorrhoids. This treatment is very helpful, and homeopathy is the best treatment to treat all of these problems without any surgery, and there is huge chance to cure all of these problems gradually. I am suggesting the best medicine, the best effective medicine to treat all of these problems, and this treatment is safe for everyone. You may take for all of these problems: anal fissure, fistula, piles and hemorrhoids. To treat these problems, we need two homeopathic medicines. One is Naxbom 30 and second one is Sulfur 30. Naxbom 30 and Sulfur 30 should be made in dilution. I am telling how to make these two dilutions to treat all of these problems, any of these problems. To make Naxbom 30 dilution, you should mix 5 drops of Naxbom 30 with 500 milli mineral water. So in 500 bottle mineral water, you should mix only 5 drops of Naxbom 30. This dilution should be made carefully. I am repeating again. You should mix 5 drops of Naxbom 30 with 500 milli mineral water. And to make Sulfur 30 dilution, you should do the same. Mix 5 drops of Sulfur 30 with 500 of mineral water. Now I am telling how to start the treatment. Naxbom 30 should be taken every evening, and Sulfur 30 should be taken in the morning after rising from bed. In the evening, jerk the dilution bottle what you made 8 times like this. Jerk the bottle like this 8 times, and then open the sip from the bottle and take 1 sip from this dilution bottle and drink it. You should take Naxbom 30 in the evening, every evening. And after rising from bed in the morning, you should do the same. Take Sulfur 30 dilution bottle what you made and jerk the bottle 8 times like this. Then open the sip from the bottle, take 1 sip from the bottle and drink it. After drinking any of this dilution, you shouldn't eat or you shouldn't drink anything within at least 20 minutes. You should continue this. You should continue this treatment at least for 15 days to see the improvement. You may see good result within 3 days. Within 3 days, your bleeding will be stopped. Within 3 days, your pain will be stopped. Within 3 days, your itching will be stopped. This treatment will stop any other complication related to fissure, fistula, piles and hemorrhoids. Please write down in comment box if you want to ask anything from me, and after taking this treatment for total 15 days, if any improvement is on seen, write in comment box. I will try my best to give you the best suggestion after this treatment. Hope this treatment will work for all, and this treatment doesn't fail for fissure, fistula, hemorrhoids, piles, etc. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel to get all of my videos. Thank you.